What's up, guys? So today I'm going to be showing you how to make use of the Flow plugin on Adobe After Effects. It's really simple and straight. It's not going to take much of your time. Just go straight to the point. So here's our stuff that we're going to use for the test on how the Flow plugin works. So you can use anything, any item you have in store. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna create a keyframe from the beginning and we move it forward, and then what we're gonna do is we drag this down. Okay, we drag this down. Sorry, so this is gonna go up. So let's invert this. Okay, so this is very slow. Let's bring it in a little bit. So instead of us to do our traditional way of things, easy in, easy out, you get me, and we go into our graph editor and do our necessary adjustments This is how we do it, and trust me, I still use this pattern when I want to go precise on the keyframe graph thing. I still use this, but there are times whereby you need to just quickly run some things like movement on graphs that don't really need that precision and all of that. That's when your Flow plugin comes in. You get me? So here's our Flow plugin. Here's my presets. We have the default and we have the custom for the user. So this is a graph I just made this few seconds ago. So we can select all our graph. We can select all our graphs. These are my custom presets, and double click, it changes to the preset you've already made. The stuff you already saved in your library. So we can go to the default. Here we have a whole lot of graphs and movements that we could easily use to speed up our workflow. So that's basically what Flow plugin does. So I'm going to show you how to save a graph. How to save a graph. Let's say you don't want this to move this way. You don't want this graph here. Okay, let's say you don't want this graph here. So what you're going to do is make your own adjustment. Okay, let's spice it up. Let's just spice it up a little bit so it makes a whole lot of sense. So I just added the motion blur. So let's say you want to use this graph, you want to save this graph, sorry. So what you do is you go here, you see, first of all you highlight the graph. Okay, the two ends have been highlighted. You go to your read values, and then you go to your preset and you save my custom graph. So you save this. Take note of the graph illustration, how it looks. So it has been saved. Now whenever I want to reuse this, I just go here and double click. Let me choose some other one, so you see it's actually saved. So you see, so that's how it is. So you can make use of the Flow plugin anytime, and it essentially helps speed up your workflow. So if you find this video really useful, please hit the like button, subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you very much, guys. See you guys on the next one.